beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together.
I went to open our leader's Twitter account. I found out that they blocked me. They blocked me from viewing our leader's Twitter. Do you understand that? They blocked me. Now, what is the intention of the person who blocked me from viewing our leader's Twitter? I took a screenshot for record. They blocked me. That is not our leader didn't do that. Okay? They blocked me. I can't even, if I took a screenshot, I will keep it for record. For you to understand what is already cooking, because some people say that they will make sure that I have problem with our leader when he comes out. They say that if it is the only thing, I am saying it now so that at the end of the day, you people will refer back to this particular broadcast. Another one I have made this reference before. They say if only thing they are going to achieve in this life is to make sure that Simonekpa have problem with Nnamdi, they are going to do it. But I know they will not succeed. And I know no matter what kind of lie they tell to Nnamdi, it is not going to last long. It's not going to last long. Because the only thing that will stand the test of time is truth. One thing I will never do is to allow devil to enter me. You know, I have to explain this, not allowing devil to enter me, because a lot of people are using that when they go to social media. When they go to social media, they will be saying, "Oh, don't allow a devil to enter you," and all that. People don't know what that particular "don't allow devil to enter you" mean. You know, I am receiving a update already from people already proving that our leaders' Twitter is accessible. Well, let me show you what they did. Let me show you what they did, because it is good for record purpose. Let me show you what they did. Now look at it. Did you see it? You are blocked from following. If you go and open Twitter now, if you go and open Twitter now, you will see that you will have access to this Twitter. But look at, they blocked me. They blocked me because they don't want that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out, I'm going to see what they are posting. Okay? I don't know what is the rationale behind it. They don't want that immediately Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released, that I am going to see what they are posting. Okay? I'm going to see what they are posting. They don't want me to do that. You see, look at it. You are blocked from following. Not only that, too, everything about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on Twitter, they blocked me. Now, ask yourself, who are those blocking Simonekpa? You see, why I'm making this comment is to prepare your mind. To prepare your mind because I have refused the devil to enter me. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu says, Simonekpa, don't allow devil to enter you. Now, I am going to explain what that particular saying means, so that any day you see, any place you see them saying, don't allow devil enter you, you have allowed devil enter you, you will know what to respond to them. What that particular thing means is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu know the people that surrounded him. Evil people. Evil people. It doesn't matter how long you have been with him. It doesn't matter how many years you have been with him. You are evil. And he knows you too well. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knows that you are going to attack me. He knows too well. That is why he warned me, don't allow devil to enter you. And that devil that I don't want to enter me is that when this attack will come, like as they have come, because they have failed. They can never attack me more than they have attacked me. It can never be bigger than that. So, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, you've heard the issue right now from our one and only Simonekpa. I don't really know how it works with the DOS, but I really wanted to look into this issue. Blocking Simonekpa from having access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's page on Twitter, I don't really think is the nice step to do. I don't think it's the nice thing because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a leader to all. If you have any problem with Simonekpa, it should not include the social medias and those. You people have personal issues with him, not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu having issues with him. And I think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not get it so happy when he see that this type of thing happened. Abba, please, the DOS should rethink this. And if it's true that they are the ones that block him, the person that is handling the social media platform should please unblock Simonekpa. It's not good this way. Please, let's stop fighting ourselves. Fight the cause of which Biafra to be restored, not fighting one another. I don't really see this so interesting. I don't really see this as a happy move. No. Please, my wonderful family, I also want you to drop your opinion for me in the comment section about what is going on right now. Do you think the DOS are taking the right move, or the person that handle the social media platform blocking Simonekpa, is it the right way? Please drop your opinion for me in the comment section. If you still have any other reasons, let me know. I am ready to learn. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress here on YouTube, any day, anytime. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For me to you. Bye.